Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. It's just another day at Eliblood Kennels. I'm making a video to let you know that me and the dogs made it through Hurricane Helene. And everybody's healthy and happy. Stretch over there. Getting to sleep on. But everybody's healthy and happy. Sheena over there, she healthy and happy. The puppies are healthy and happy. And man, that was a heck of a storm that came through, ladies and gentlemen. That wind that came through was epic. I never saw wind like that, bending trees down like that. And the good Lord preserved us. My hearts and prayers go out to those that lost their life and lost their property in Hurricane Helene. May the Lord give you peace and comfort. But everybody is fine. The dogs are fine. My wife and kids are fine. My mother's fine. My family's fine. Everybody's doing good. No loss of life, no loss of property. So everybody doing good. It's a blessing from the Lord. I just got my yard man coming to clean up my yard, and my pool man coming to clean out my pool. They took the brunt of it. But yeah, Eliblood Kennels. It's life as usual with the American Pit Bull Terrier. I appreciate everybody's support, all the subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I found out something really good recently. I was blogging on the Pit Bull forum, and I just threw a question out there. Do they like the skull and scream breedings that Mr. Boudreaux did in the 90s? They say, yeah, they loved it. But without me saying anything, I just wanted some feedback. They say the best of them breedings was Badger, Boudreaux's Badger. And it made me smile because these pups I got right here are 12 times Badger and the 4th generation pedigree. So it made me feel good that I'm preserving the Badger blood through these pups. And everybody thought Badger was the best of the skull and scream breedings by Mr. Boudreaux. Who am I to argue? I just know the blood is very good. I had it for the last, coming up on almost 10 years. And everything I crossed it with, it worked. Everybody kept all the puppies off the breedings when I crossed my Eli dog into their program. They kept the offspring. So I'm pleased with the results of the cross of the Eli Bolio strain. I'm very happy with it. Because you got highly energetic, intelligent, loyal, good dogs that are sound in structure and true to form of the American Pit Bull Terrier Conformation Code. I'm only letting 2 go. I have 2 females left. And each female is $2,000 US. They had their first shots, second shots, and they're wormed with ADBA papers. It's a real consistent bloodline. Performs very well. These 2 here. These 2. It's a very consistent bloodline. I'm very happy with it. This is my pick. Well, it's the only male. This is my pick male, Michael, right here. And he's a handful. If he ain't over there terrorizing his daddy, he over here biting on me. Hey, Michael. But this is the only male out the litter. And he's staying right here at Eliblood Kennels. They're going to be a future stud. He remind me so much of Eli Jr. when he was small. So that's why I'm keeping this booger here. Come on, Michael, look. Look at him. He going on. Michael said, you can't put me in no box. And Sheena, the excellent producer mother of them. She's excellent. And Tretch, my premier stug dog here at Eliblood Kennels, throwing that fire and heat, throwing good conformation dogs. Beautiful dog. They heavy on the Eli Bolio. Bolio coming through the Texas Express Rolo dog, handicap, grand champion handicap, macho buck, you name it. You got some Ed Crenshaw carver in there too. Some of that Ghana blood. And those who know about that Ghana blood know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that Ghana blood is something else. That make up the bottom side of Sheena and Trek. It's the good Ghana blood out of the Ed Crenshaw breed. Good old fashioned carver. And you got your slivers of Jeep through the champion Saber dog. You got your Rodriguez champion gator at the bottom through the Saber dog. You got your White's Blackjack blood through the Saber dog. You got your, like I say, the handicap, grand champion handicap in there. But to me, when I took all that and crossed it with that pure Eli blood, phenomenal results. You get great dogs out of it. They being a little shy today. The pups and them found something to play with. What is y'all doing back there? What is they doing, Sheena? They over there. They up to no good. See them moving in the tarp over there. I don't see them, so I know they up to something. I see one right there. But when you don't see three of them, they up to something. That's Michael right there, eating the pine cone. Giving that pine cone heck too. But the other ones, they in that top, and you can see them little boogers moving around, and they doing something in there. But yeah, the bloodline is solid. Can't go wrong with the bloodline. All these breedings were select breedings by the people who had the dogs. Those were the breedings of Mr. Boudreaux, the man that had handicap, Macho Buck, the people that had Macho Buck, the people that had the Ed Crenshaw stuff. It's just a beautiful blend of bulldogs in there. Nothing but the top quality bulldogs in the bloodline. They even got some of that old Barfield Jenkins, the rare stuff. The Cajun blood. That ties in well with the Eli blood. You couldn't get one of them dogs off their yard. They wouldn't never sell a dog, and they only bred in house. They didn't sell their dogs to the public. And a good friend of mine was fortunate enough to get some of the blood and shared it with me when I crossed my Eli stuff into it. God bless him wherever he at. And that's how I was able to get the bottom side of this good bolio in these dogs. But yeah, we made it through the hurricane. Dogs are fine. Everybody just enjoying this lazy Sunday afternoon. Yeah, got to get in here. I got to feed the puppies. And feed them their dinner. It's always a good tip to let them work and play and run or whatever until they're exhausted. Then feed them, and then they'll sleep like a baby all night. You won't have no problems out of them. They just like little human babies. You let the baby play until they're exhausted, feed them, and then once you feed them, they go to bed and they stay asleep all night because they satisfied, they tired, they feel full of good food, and they go ahead on and go to sleep till the morning. I changed my puppies from feeding them in the morning to feeding them at night. I think it's better to feed them at night once they get a certain age. That way their food can digest all night, and all I have to do in the morning is get up and clean up their mess, and they'll have energy all the day to expend and exercise. And they sleep better with a full belly. But these are my babies. The other two in that top, I don't know where they at. They're doing something they ain't got no business over there. I already know that. You ain't got to tell me that twice. They always in the mischief. If they ain't doing something wrong. But yeah, boy, that storm was really, really rough because we only caught the outer bands of the winds, and those winds were awesome. So the people who got a direct hit from the storm, I can imagine the damage that it did. So we're blessed, and I pray for those who lost their lives in the name of Jesus Christ in the storm and lost their property and lost power. God bless them, keep them, and preserve them. Everybody hiding from the camera today. And Stretch taking it easy over here. He just chilling. Good sneeze. Uh-oh, see, I hear him over there. See him rumbling the top over there, but I can't see him. They're over there making noise, but I can't see him. There go one coming out of there. They're under the top, and I found something to play with under there. So they being a little camera shy today. Even Sheena back there with her. Sheena, come back out there. So yeah, come from out there and get them puppies out of there. She going in there with them like a big puppet. Look at her. She more mischievous than they is. Look. Look at this goofball in there under the thing. Sheena, get your butt from under there. What is you doing? You ain't no puppy. She always encouraging them. Look, y'all. They trying to peek their little head out. Look. They look bad, but look at them over there. You can't get out that way. You got to stick your head back in. See, I let them figure stuff out, too. I don't go always rescue them and stuff whenever they need help. Because they got to learn for themselves. Uh-oh, they fighting now. Uh-oh. See, I know they up to no good now. Look. When one of them running around like that, I know there's something up. Mm-hmm. But like I said before, it's good for them to expound energy. Right before you put them up for the night, let them run. And then feed them. And they'll knock out like a light. They'll wake up in the morning. All you got to do is clean up after them. And they'll have energy for the rest of the day until you do it again. But it's an awesome thing. But these dogs are good dogs. Look at Church. You want to get in on that action? Church, I see you a little. They all under there now. See, Sheena done got under the top now. They all under the top. Sheena. She the instigator. Sheena, where you at? She under there with her. There's one of them coming out. That's Micah there. Come another one. They trying to come out. They go. She and the other one. There's some more back down to the top. And Micah. They're going back. Look at these two. They're gonna be going at it in a minute. Then they found something under that top they playing with. These babies explore everything. But yeah, like I said, I got 2 females left for $2,000 US. First and second shots, wormed, ADBA paperwork in hand. All you have to do is come to North Florida and get your dog. And have $2,000 with you. And it's all good after that. When my yard man come and my pool man come, the yard will be better, ladies and gentlemen. Just right after the storm. They running. So I apologize about the yard and the pool. But it'll be taken care of this week. Look at me back there. I found something back there. Look at these two over there. They love to play with mama too. Beautiful dogs. That Eliblood at the finest. Uh-oh. And I knew they was gonna start. Them two always going at it. It always Micah the instigator. Micah is always the instigator. And then I'll stay out. And let them stay out for like another hour, maybe 45 minutes. Ooh, nice takedown. Nice takedown, Micah. Nice takedown. Look at Mike. Mike ain't no joke. He was like that coming out the wood. Ooh. Ooh. He's serious about that thing. He's just 12 weeks old. They serious. Oh yeah. What you doing? They don't play now. That bloodline ain't no joke. There they go. Don't come over here by me with that. I don't want y'all beating me up. They go, daddy. One They're beautiful dogs, man. Thank God for these dogs. Hey, hey. Ow, ow. Stop. Dang it. There they go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Best Eliblood of your blood. And it can all be yours for the low, low price of $2,000. I had somebody offer me $1,000 for these dogs. I say, man, come on, man. Don't try me like that. $1,000. All this historic breedings in these dogs. All the consistency of what's been put into the dogs. And not to mention what a female would do for your breeding program. Especially if you done bred yourself into a corner and you need an out in your dogs. These would be the perfect dogs when you breed yourself into a corner. Uh-oh, she done pooping, y'all. Get away from that poop. Stop. But yeah, these are perfect females. But when you done bred yourself into a corner and you need a outcross, this is the best outcross you can because it's compatible with every strain. Always remember, you can't go wrong with double Eli and double Bolio. You can never go wrong with that. But like I say, yeah, people have been offering me, well, I got $1,000. You know, no. $2,000. That's firm. No more, no less. And I know what you're getting. So when you get it, I know what you're getting. You ain't getting nothing watered down. You're getting honest bulldogs. Grade A honest bulldogs. So $2,000 is not a lot to pay for a piece of history. Shoot. I see where people pay $2,000 for shoes. Now, I admit I like to collect shoes too. But if I'm going to pay $2,000 for shoes, I'm going to get 2 pair. So, but yeah, these dogs are a piece of history. That's my keeper there, Michael. I love Michael. Michael gonna be a premier stud here at Eliblood Kennels too. That's gonna be one of my good stud dogs. I already see how he acting at 12 weeks. I can imagine what he'll be at a year old. And he don't play. He don't let nobody off the hook. There you go. The only surviving male out of this breeding. So that makes him the only male bred like this on the planet. Because this is a first time breeding. He's the only male. So that make him very exclusive. Because he's the only male bred like this on the planet. Double Eli Jr. and double Bolio Z. So I know I got a winner with that. Sheena, get from back there. You too big for that, Sheena. Get over here. Get over here. You done got hooked up. Come here, Sheena. She done got hooked. Oh, there she go. She back there instigating. She thinks she a puppy too. But she back there instigating. But yeah, man, these some top-notch bred dogs. I just can't let them go for under $2,000. I'm sorry. And I'm only letting 2 go, so the other 2, you can't offer me no price for them. Because they not for sale. Only the 2 females. I'm glad I got my NFL Red Zone recording. So when I put them up and feed them, I can watch my touchdown montage of all the NFL games today. Ain't nothing like NFL Red Zone, bro. You can record every